I love all things Genexa. This was actually sent to me. This is the infant's 6 months plus daytime cough immune support. It can help soothe cough due to dry throat and irritants. And the thing that I like about Genexa is it doesn't have any artificial dyes. It has 0 artificial sugars, and it is free of common allergens. This is made with organic agave, which is interesting. But I've always struggled with giving my toddler, and when he was a baby, any sort of medicine like this because I didn't want all of the extra stuff. So this has agave syrup and some other things. Maybe it's mainly just agave. Wow. Yeah. Agave, citric acid, natural flavor, water, and zinc, which I know for my son, zinc often helps him a little bit. But it is a pretty small, it's only 2 ounces, and it comes with this, and I think, yeah, 6 to 12 months. You can do 3 milliliters as needed, and this is a 3 milliliter syringe. And then there's a little bit of additional directions for 0 to 3 years old. So if you're looking at this little Genexa one, that's just kind of what it looks like. And when my son ends up having a cough, I will have to tell you what it is like.